The push-up is one of the oldest and most reliable bodyweight exercises out there. It doesn't require equipment, it doesn't need a gym, and yet it gives you a complete workout for your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core. But here's the catch. Most beginners don't realize how much proper form matters. A sloppy push-up not only reduces the benefits, but it can also strain your shoulders or back. Today, I'll break down the push-up step by step so you can build strength safely and effectively, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Set your foundation, the lower body, before we even move the arms. Let's lock in the lower body. Lie face down on the floor, then press up onto your toes. Keep your legs straight and together. Imagine drawing a line from your head to your heels. It should be perfectly straight, not sagging in the middle or sticking your hips too high. This is where beginners usually slip up. If your hips are lifted like a pyramid or if your back is sinking, you're not engaging your core. So squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, and tilt your pelvis slightly forward. Think of your body as a strong, flat plank. Step 2. Hand placement and upper body setup now. Let's talk about the hands. Place them just a little wider than shoulder width apart, with your fingers pointing forward. A good rule of thumb is to keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. That way you're protecting your shoulders while targeting the chest and triceps. As you prepare, press through your palms, spread your fingers, and keep your shoulder blades slightly pulled back and down. This keeps your upper body tight and ready. Step 3. The movement. Lower and push time for the actual push-up. Inhale as you bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the floor. Keep your elbows tucked in, not flaring out to the sides. Aim to bring your chest just a couple of inches from the ground while maintaining that strong plank position. Then, exhale as you press through your palms and push your body back up to the starting position. The motion should be smooth and controlled, not rushed or sloppy. Remember, quality always beats quantity. 5 perfect push-ups will build you more strength than 20 half reps with bad form. Step 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's go over a few beginner mistakes so you can skip them. Hips too high. This turns the push-up into something closer to a downward dog stretch. Hips sagging. This puts stress on your lower back instead of your chest. Flaring elbows. Easy way to hurt your shoulders, keep them angled back. Half reps. Going only halfway down won't give you the full benefit. Correcting these early will make every push-up more effective. Step 5. Scaling for beginners. Regular push-ups feel tough right now, don't worry. You can scale them. Start with incline push-ups using a bench, table, or wall. Once you get stronger, move to knee push-ups on the floor. Then, progress to full push-ups with good form. Progress slowly, and celebrate every step forward. The push-up may look simple, but mastering it requires full body control and discipline. By engaging your core, setting your hands correctly, moving with control, and avoiding common mistakes, you'll unlock one of the most powerful exercises you can do anytime, anywhere. So here's my challenge for you. Try a set of 5 to 10 proper push-ups today. Then, come back and tell me in the comments how many you managed. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more beginner-friendly fitness tips.